Everyone's going to organize their tools differently, but here are some suggestions that you may find helpful. First, you need to decide your organizational preference. Do you want to organize by tool type, size, or order of use? An example of organizing by tool type would be sockets, wrenches, power tools, and more in specific drawers and sections. When everything has a designated spot, you can quickly notice that something is out of place or missing. For those unsure where to start, consider using foam cutouts, socket rails, or matching wrench racks. Not only will these protect your tools from damage or loss, but they'll also help maintain organization. Organizing tools doesn't end at the box. When using tools, organized technicians utilize a few different strategies. For example, this could be pulling out one tool at a time when needed, carrying a tool bag, or bringing a rolling cart to each repair spot. Or you can even use a magnetic tray. It's important to use whatever method works best for your processes before losing a socket or two. As with any job, each shop has a different set of rules, so make sure your approach falls within the company's guidelines. Remember, a toolbox is only as organized as you are, so be sure to clean and organize your toolbox daily or whenever it makes sense for your routine. Until next time, visit us at Noregon.com for more technician resources.